In this video, you will discover a unique trading method, fully controllable historically, fully automatable directly on your exchange with just a few clicks from TradingView, and backtest results on your phone with several adjustment proposals each day to multiply your bots on the same trading account and develop the passive income you've always dreamed of. The strategy is loaded on your chart directly from TradingView. Each day, you receive several setting proposals that you just need to adjust and validate, and you can set up dozens of trading bots that will monitor the markets 24 hours a day and place trading orders for you based on the historical results you have personally validated. We will detail all of this in this video. And if you think it's too good to be true, and since proof is better than 1,000 words, know that access to the strategy and daily backtest results to help you configure it is entirely free for 3 months, with no credit card, no commitment. You have 3 months to form an opinion. To test our system and see for yourself the reality of what we offer, simply request your free access on our website and you can start using our strategy from tomorrow to try and validate it, and we are certain it will be to your great advantage. Important: we do not offer investment advice. We provide a technical solution and only present examples for educational purposes. Trading requires skill and discipline, and we always advise you to start on a demo account to develop your competence. Having said that, let's get started with the video. However, Anomaly is not copy trading, but rather access to a professional tool that allows you, based on historical results, to establish a real long-term trading plan, historically and statistically validated by you. It's a tool for those who want to take trading seriously and give themselves the means to succeed. In this video, we will see together and in detail the entire system, a strategy directly on TradingView that allows you personalized settings following historical backtests, a trading instance included in your subscription that will allow you to directly connect the TradingView strategy to your broker. You will then just need to create an alert once the strategy is set up to have a trading bot that will run 24 hours a day and place orders directly at the right time with your broker. And finally, daily settings from our automatic backtesters that will allow you to receive numerous daily setting proposals that you just need to validate and apply in order to multiply your bots on the same trading account and thus the number of trades and your profit. As a reminder, there are 3 months of completely free trial. So let's now see together, step by step, how to set up and use the automated TopBot Anomaly strategy. Let's go. TopBot Anomaly is a price anomaly strategy that is fully automatable in a few clicks directly from TradingView. It monitors market fluctuations and detects statistical anomalies compared to average prices. It operates on most cryptocurrencies for short positions and for long positions, as well as a swing trading mode. It is fully configurable and automatable from TradingView, as it communicates directly with the trading instance included in your subscription, allowing it to place trading orders directly with your broker in real time. On TradingView, you just have to click on Indicator, search for TopBot Anomaly, and click on the strategy to load it directly onto your chart. Once the strategy is loaded, you just have to go to the free Telegram channel, the link is in the description, then look at the results of the automatic backtest offered to you, and you will find the main suggested settings, in this case for Huma. For short positions, you just need to select the right cryptocurrency, the right time frame, open the strategy settings by double-clicking its name, and enter the parameters present in the backtest. We are therefore in short only. Our moving average length is 30. Our entry position is, for the short positions, it will be 9%, and our exit 1.8%. As you can see, it is possible to add additional entry levels to smooth your trades. Once the strategy is configured and validated, you simply need to create an alert, give it a name in the notification section, activate the webhook URL, copy your personal webhook address, then replace the message part with the personalized message you received when creating your trading instance on our site. You just need to validate. And from now on, a specific alert has been created on TradingView. It is directly linked to your broker and will automatically place trading orders with the parameters you entered in the strategy. As soon as the conditions are met, this trading bot will continue to run even if you close or change the strategy settings until you simply delete this alert. As you have understood, you can create as many trading bots as your TradingView subscription allows, thereby multiplying your trading opportunities and profit on your account. To remove a bot, you just need to delete your alerts. Be careful, the bot we are showing on the screen does not yet take risk management and capital management into account, which we will do together in a moment. In this example, randomly taken from many backtests, each day we enter with 1/3 of our capital at 3 entry level with leverage 2 and achieve 654% profit in exactly 1 year with this bot only, but with an exposure to risk that is much too high for long-term trading. But, as we will see, the strategy also includes tools for managing your risk, and we'll see together how to proceed. First, we will display the risk calculator. As we can see, it takes into account the leverage set in our strategy, the maximum loss we are willing to incur on a losing trade, the stop loss we have set in the strategy, and the number of entries used. We will now manage the size of our entries in position so that our maximum loss on a trade equals a desired maximum of our total capital. By default, we want the maximum risk per trade to be 2% of loss on our capital. The first step will be to set a safety stop loss because, as you can see now, the stop loss is at 100, so it is disabled. To find the stop loss value to use, it is very simple. We will look for the lowest possible value that does not change the results of our final backtest. That is to say, we want to use the stop loss solely as a safety measure and not as an exit condition. So we can try with a stop loss at 10%. We see that these stops are triggered regularly and that our figure has decreased. We will therefore try higher stop loss levels, and we see that from 42% the stop loss has no more impact on the strategy. We will set a stop loss purely as a safety measure, and it will allow us to precisely size each of our positions so that the maximum loss, if the stop loss is reached, is limited to the percentage of our capital we have decided by default, 2%. And we see that if we use leverage 2 with 3 entry levels in position, and in order to adhere to the maximum risk of 2%, each of our 3 entries in position must be at most 0.74%. We will therefore set 0.74% per position entry with leverage 2, and we see that our curve becomes much smoother because each of our losses impacts less than 2% of our capital. And we see that with 3 entry levels, respecting our risk, we achieve 5% profit in 1 year with this single bot with perfectly managed and controlled risk. And if 5% seems little to you, consider that it is possible to program 50, 100, 200, and even 400 trading bots on a single account, and each of the bots can have its own profitability that will add to your overall profit for the year. I'll let you do the math. We could then validate the settings of this bot with controlled risk management and automate it simply by creating an alert, as we saw just before. We could also decide to use only one entry level. To do this, we will reset the following entry levels, and we see that, in this case, to respect our risk management, we can go up to 2.22% per entry position since we only have one entry. In this specific case, our risk is also respected since each trade will make us lose at most 2% of our capital. The previous curve had the advantage of being smoother, and we could, for example, validate these settings for this portal. And then we just have to create an alert, replace the default message with our customized message, give a name to our alert so we can identify it, enable the webhook URL with our customized webhook in the notifications, and validate. We want to add another bot, we just have to take another result from our backtester to reload the correct cryptocurrency, and then we just have to change the settings and save a new alert for our new bot once the strategy is configured. As you have understood, it is a turnkey solution since a single subscription gives you access to the strategy to one or several trading instances to directly automate your trades from TradingView on your broker and with daily settings to quickly and effortlessly multiply the number of bots on your trading account and thus multiply trades and your profits. The strategy offers many other options and settings to be fully customizable according to your choices and needs. To try this strategy for 3 months for free, simply go to our site, enter your email and your TradingView ID, and within 24 hours, your access to the TradingView strategy will be unlocked and you will have free access to the Telegram channel to receive new settings every day. 3 months is more than enough to form your own opinion. Then when you're ready, you can move to the next level and fully automate it. By the way, you can receive, if you wish, messages for each movement of your strategy, so you can follow in real time on your phone all the trades that are executed. In short, come discover our offer yourself for free for 3 months. And one thing is certain, you won't be able to do without it. The trading platforms and our website are available in many languages. You will find complete tutorials on our website to guide you. And to finish this video, a little message for those of you who are already active on social networks or wish to become so. Be aware that we are seeking partnerships to promote our system and strategy. So, if you are interested in a partnership, wish to offer quality content to your community, and benefit from fair compensation for the help you can provide us, do not hesitate to contact us on our site. In the meantime, I wish you all to try our strategy for free for 3 months. We are at your disposal for any questions via the contact page of our website. Take care and happy trading.